step into the 2013 Toyota Tundra Senior 5. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include AM/FM stereo, power outlet, rear defrost, intermittent wipers, power steering, variable speed intermittent wipers, and keyless entry. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.